Welcome to this technical guide on the HP Omen 15dh0005la. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP Omen 15dh0005la is getting so hot it burns to touch, you're not alone. This overheating issue is often caused by dust accumulation in the cooling system or a failing thermal paste. If left unattended, it can lead to serious hardware damage or even complete failure of your laptop. It's essential to address this overheating problem before it escalates. To carry out this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, thermal paste, a can of compressed air, and an anti-static wrist strap. First, ensure that your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Begin by carefully removing the bottom panel of the laptop using the Phillips screwdriver. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic clips. Once the panel is off, locate the cooling fan and heatsink assembly. It's usually positioned near the CPU. You will need to disconnect the fan cable from the motherboard. This can be a bit tricky, so gently wiggle the connector to avoid breaking any pins. Now, unscrew the heatsink from the motherboard, making sure to remember where each screw goes, as they can be different lengths. Once the heatsink is removed, you will see the old thermal paste on the CPU. Carefully clean this off using a lint-free cloth and some isopropyl alcohol. Once clean, apply a small amount of new thermal paste to the CPU, spreading it evenly. Reattach the heatsink, ensuring it's secured tightly but not over-tightened, which could damage the motherboard. Reconnect the fan and check for any dust buildup around the fan itself. Use the compressed air to blow out any dust. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, replace the bottom panel of your laptop, securing it with the screws. Once everything is back in place, power on your laptop and monitor the temperatures to ensure it's running cooler. To prevent this problem from occurring again, make sure to clean your laptop regularly and consider using a cooling pad during intensive tasks. Keep an eye on the internal components and replace the thermal paste every couple of years for optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.